For nearly 60 years, leading scientists the world over have chosen Gibco media to power their science. From conducting revolutionary research to developing breakthrough therapies and vaccines. So, you're probably thinking you know Gibco. But do you? Did you know you can collaborate as scientists with scientists to help you advance your research? Did you know you can find customizable cells, media, and reagent solutions to meet the needs of your applications? Did you know, as you translate your research, we are on the journey with you, helping to maintain compliance across your workflow? Did you know you can reduce sample contamination, optimize shelf space, and make your lab more environmentally friendly with sustainably designed products? Did you know you can take advantage of education, training, and a community of like-minded scientists? Connect with the Gibco products, services, expertise, and support for the life of your research, the life of your organization, the life of your career. And in pursuit of preserving and improving life for everyone, everywhere. And now, you know. Make the connection.